learn and play and move a lot. Fitness with the RoboTots.
Hi kids, it's the holiday season and we need a Christmas tree. Do you know where Christmas trees come from? Today, we're going to show you. We're here at the Harris Tree Farm in Pollock Pines, California. So let's go pick out the perfect Christmas tree. This is Nicole and her family owns this tree farm. Hi Nicole.
Hi RoboTots.
This farm is so cool. So how long has it been in your family?
Since 1853, we have 7 generations here.
Wow, that's amazing to see how it's been passed on from each generation. Do you have any family traditions that you have during the holidays?
Yes, we have been growing the Christmas trees since 1955, selling them since 1960. We have many families that come for over 5 generations, and each year they come, cut down their tree, and we hand make a special ornament for them every year.
Oh, I love that. That was actually my family tradition when I was growing up. We'd always go cut down our own tree. So let's do that today. Can you help us find a tree?
Yes, come on, let's go.
This looks like a great tree. Let's measure it. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's over 5 feet tall. I think it's great. Okay, how do I cut this? So the kids want to learn about Christmas trees. How many trees do you grow each year?
We plant between 1,500 and 3,000 trees each year.
Whoa! So how old are these trees right here?
These trees are about 5 to 6 to 7 years old. These are conifers, which means they grow from a cone. You can tell how old a tree is by the trunk. Count each line represents each year. So this tree is about 15 years old.
Look at all those rings. I bet some of these bigger trees have lots of rings.
Yes, some of the trees are about 150 years old.
Look at this tree. See how all the leaves have fallen off? Now look at this tree. It's still green. It's called an evergreen because it's always green. It has pine needles instead of leaves, which stay on the tree all year long. I noticed a bake shop when you walked in, so let's go find it. We could smell the pies from all the way outside. What kind of pies do you sell in here?
We have apple, pumpkin, blackberry, strawberry rhubarb, blueberry.
Wow, apple pie is my favorite. What pie is your favorite? So, do you think you could teach me how to bake a pie?
Yes, let's go, RoboTots. So first, we make sure our hair is up and we come over to the sink and we wash our hands. So first we mix our dough. This is our pie crust and it goes through our hopper here.
Oh, I thought you would roll it out. This is a machine?
This is a machine. So we used to roll it out with a rolling pin, but this machine does it for us.
Okay, and then you turn it and then you do it a couple times?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay, what's the next step?
The next step is we have peeler.
Okay.
We peel the apples, then we chop the apples.
Oh, it's so fast.
It is fast.
And what type of apples do you use?
We use Granny Smith and Golden Delicious. So sweet with a little bit of tartness. These are our pre-cut apples. Would you like to help me mix up a pie?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so what we're first gonna do is dump in our sugar, flour, and our spices, just cinnamon and nutmeg. Go ahead and mix it up.
All right, let's mix it. It's a lot of apples. This is all for how many pies?
3 pies.
Okay. And then we weigh it, is that right?
Yep, and then we're gonna weigh out each pie. So now we're gonna take the apples and put them into the pie to weigh 2.75. Almost perfect.
Oh, it's really tall.
Yes, it is. So then what we will do, we'll pack it down. So now we're gonna put on our top. First, we dabble a little water around the crust.
So is that just water?
Just water, yes.
Okay. Oh, so it sticks to it?
So yeah, so it can stick together. We tuck under the edges. And then we crimp.
Oh, the edge is called crimping.
Yes.
That looks great. And now what?
And now we go ahead and we bake it.
Okay, it's time. How long does it take to bake?
In our oven, it takes 45 minutes. In a regular oven at home, it takes about an hour and 20 minutes.
Oh, okay, so this is hotter?
Yes.
Wow.
The timer's up. The pie must be ready. Would you like to take it out of the oven?
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm excited. Wow, this looks great. Let's see how many shapes we can make out of this pie. What shape is the pie now? Yes, it's a circle. Wow, this is so cool. I thought we were gonna cut it with a knife, but I guess this is a secret.
Yep, that's our pie slicer.
Okay, so we have a circle, and then what other shapes can you see? Yeah, a triangle. How many triangles can you see? 6. Let's make 6 slices. Okay. Wow. That's so much easier than at home.
Yes.
All right, I think we should try it, huh?
Let's try some.
Well, thank you so much, Nicole. We had a great time. Thanks for helping us pick out the tree and baking a pie. I think he likes it. So thanks again.
You're welcome. Bye, RoboTots.
We had so much fun at the Harris Tree Farm. We've got our tree loaded up and we've got some pies to take home. But it's time to go. We'll see you next time on another adventure. Bye. Join us for another fitness adventure by clicking the RoboTots playlist.
And be sure to tell your friends.